Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to copy a recipe that I did about 5 years ago up here in northwestern Montana. It is a huckleberry smash burger. Family vacation up near Eureka, Montana, just south of the Canadian border. Today we had a great time at Kootenai Falls and Lake Koocanusa. Let's get our huckleberry mayo ready for later. So we're gonna start out with some mayonnaise. And this time we have some Montana huckleberry bourbon jam. We'll give it a mix. I think that looks perfect, and it has that classic huckleberry color. We're in Montana, so you know we have to use those wheat Montana brioche buns. I'm making a bunch of these for the family, but we'll just make 2 now to show you how I do it. A little bit of mayo on the inside of those brioche buns. Prep work is all done. So let's go ahead and make our burgers. Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle. I have it down low because we're cooking bacon. Pepper cured bacon. Blackstone Adventure Ready bacon press. Okay, let's check the bacon. Perfect. Bacon press really helps. If you keep that heat low, you can flip it early and often. The bacon's looking really good. I'm gonna move it aside over here, probably just in one pile. And we'll keep that bacon press on top. Gonna shift that temperature to high. I have some 85-15 meatballs. We'll smash these. I'll put a little bit of oil on my spatula, and here we go. Let's check out that bacon. Looking really good over here in the corner. I'm just gonna put it over here on my spatula mat for now. And I found a local seasoning Elkhorn Smokehouse. They make this here in Eureka. Let's go in for a flip. Killer sear on those. I'm gonna use 2 cheeses today, a baby Swiss. You can see I'm folding them smaller. Gonna make those fit for the size of my patties. Use my spatula, we'll bring those close together. A little bit of water to create some steam, and we'll use that Adventure Ready basting cover. And we're gonna take those mayo buns and put them down here for a quick toast. Meanwhile, let's check out those patties. Oh, looking perfect. Let's check out those buns. Oh yeah, perfect toast on those. We'll kill the griddle. Gonna use my huckleberry mayo down here on the heel. Break my bacon in 2 so it's patty size. Maybe we'll do 1 on each, something like that. A little bit of red leaf lettuce down on the mayo, and we're gonna stack our patties down on top of that beautiful brioche bun. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's been 5 years since I've done a huckleberry Montana smash burger. Outstanding. It is outstanding. You know, you can do the same thing with like a cherry jam as well, a number of fruits, and it's just something to get you out of the ordinary. Ketchup, mustard, mayo, pickle. Ketchup, mustard, mayo, pickle, lettuce, you know, the same thing over and over. Huckleberry, baby, it's the way to go. And of course, I'm in Montana, so I have to wash it down with a Montana's treasure. My wife always says it probably comes from a tap, but I don't know. Those mountains on there. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying my videos as we're up here in Montana on vacation. God willing, this fall, you'll see lots more videos of me out in my element, hunting and fishing as well. Make sure you're watching all of our shows on the Blackstone Network, because we sure do have a lot of them. And visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. All of your questions are going to be answered there. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the huckleberry smash burger, Montana style.